constituency, and I would like to condemn in the strongest term possible the extrajudicial means by which the police used on our people, the brutal force, killing people. The police took an oath to protect life, and seemingly they are more concerned about property than life itself. They are more concerned about the flower pots than life itself. Every time you blame Baba, that it is Baba that is causing these deaths, it is not Baba causing these deaths. It is the police who are killing people, who are maiming people, who are causing serious injuries, grievous harm on our people. And the same hustlers that Ruto promised to give jobs are the same hustlers that is killing. The same hustlers that are supposed to be given jobs, 1 million jobs every year, are the same hustlers that are being killed, that are being maimed. The Bible says in Matthew chapter 7 from verse 9 to 11 that if your child asks for bread, do you give him a stone? And if your child asks for fish, do you give him a snake? But seemingly this government, the children are asking for bread and they are offering stones and bullets and rungus and tear gas and arrogance, which is causing a lot of consternation and discombobulation of spirits in this country. The children are asking for fish and they are giving us snakes. But I can tell you, we will not stop. It doesn't matter how many you will kill. We will mourn with their families, but it doesn't matter how many you will maim. We will proceed until you surrender. Thank you.